Well, there is a somewhat new feature in Perplexity that lets you learn virtually any language. So you can ask AI about some words or phrases in some situations in any language, and AI will give you an interactive element that you can click, and it will open this card and you can listen how that phrases or words should sound like. So this is very useful, and I think this overlaps some features to some paid and expensive language learning apps. So this is a good thing that we have in Perplexity. However, I noticed that this feature is not quite consistent. So here, I'm trying to learn how to pronounce the word preposterous, and the answer doesn't seem to have that interactive audio elements. There is no button or audio play button that I can click, and it is not the same as the demo that was showcased by Perplexity. And also, I actually have made a video on how you can use this feature, but so far it is not very consistent. However, I have another thread with the exact same keyword or prompt, and I got this interactive element, which is preposterous.
Preposterous.
So, yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Why these two threads with the exact same keywords or prompts gives you very different answer. One of them doesn't have the interactive audio feature, but the other one lets you play the audio. Well, upon my observation, I realized that you will get this feature more consistently if you are using the Comet browser. So this is a new browser from Perplexity. The main feature of this browser is the agentic feature. So it's kinda preposterous that we don't have this feature, even though this is not an agentic feature at all. But yeah, apparently if you want to get this feature more consistently, then you have to use the Comet browser. So let me give you one example. Here, on the left side is just the regular Google Chrome browser, and on the right side is the Comet browser, even though it is still the same technology as Google Chrome, but it is a completely different browser. Anyway, I'm going to send a message where I want to learn how to pronounce the word superfluous. And here I'll just use the basic setting, use web, and also just use the best AI mode, the best AI model, send a message, and you'll see there is no interactive audio cards button at all, just no button that I can click. But if I send the exact same message with the exact same setting on the Comet browser, you will see that this time around there is going to be the audio button that I can click. So there you go, the word superfluous, and I can click on it. I can learn how to pronounce this word. So that's crazy.
Superfluous.
Yeah. Basically, if you want to get this feature, then just go ahead and use the Comet browser, because apparently it is more consistent. But I'm hoping that this is just a glitch, so this language learning feature can be used regardless of what browser that you are using on Perplexity. So that's basically hopefully a temporary fix to make sure that this language learning feature will always appear every time you want to learn or pronounce something in particular language. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.